For those of you who actually work on your cars, when do you call it quits for car season? Because I gotta fix some things and it's a little bit snowy out here. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. This is gonna be a super short video today, but I just wanted to show you guys the struggles of not having a garage or a tent and working on cars in Pennsylvania, because I have to do one simple small thing to fix my exhaust, and it's crazy out here because we have like a foot of snow on the ground and I have nowhere to put my car in to do all this work. I'm saving up to eventually get some sort of carport or something, but for the time being, I don't have that. So this is a big struggle for me, just working outside and working on cars in the winter, but I'm still trying to be like good with content and working on the car. So we went to Home Depot and we got 2 bolts to fix my exhaust leak, because when I put my exhaust on, I only had 1 bolt and we left a huge gap. There's only a few problems right now. One, there's snow everywhere and it's starting to melt a little bit, and it's also below freezing, so it's kind of cold, wet, and icy right now, and it's not going to be fun to do this because I have to lift the car up. The sun's already starting to go down, the exhaust is hot because of this driving. Pennsylvania, you always cause me problems in the winter when I'm trying to do car things. So when I was doing that, I had my finger clamped in between the exhaust because I was trying to hold in the wrench and the bolt, and I got my finger stuck in there pretty good. This one is focus. I think I bruised the bone a little bit. Oh well, but this is the dedication you have to go through to be a car guy in Pennsylvania without a garage, because I don't have a garage, I don't have a tent, I don't have anything to protect me from the snow and the cold and the wet. So we out here just sending it. I'm gonna leave you guys off here, so please do me a few things. Comment, like, subscribe, keep doing that fun stuff, keep doing you, stay motivated. Catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.